Hey Scout leaders, you have joined me just walking to the Scout Hall because I'm going to go meet the manager of the nursery who hired the Scout Hall. And it got me thinking, after a few conversations with some fellow Scout leaders, about the pros and cons of owning your own Scout Hall, yeah? Sometimes I just feel it would be nice if, say, we used a school hall, a church hall, you walk in, it's all decorated, you don't have to worry about maintenance. If there's a problem, you just email the landlord and tell them and it gets fixed. Then on the flip side, as we own our own Scout Hall, we don't have to worry about storage. If we want to put storage up, whatever, if we want to put these posters up, we don't have to ask if we can put them up. We just put them up, yeah? But owning your Scout Hall has a whole load of other things that go with it, yeah? We've got a maintenance. We've got the nursery who are constantly emailing me as the group Scout leader saying, Mark, the toilet is blocked up, the light bulb needs fixing, this needs done, this needs fixing. And you just think, whew, this is almost a full-time job. And now I'm off to the nursery meeting now to go and talk about the rental hall agreement. It's all these factors that go into owning your own Scout Hall, that maintenance, where you just think, noisy lorry. It would be nice just to be able to walk into a hall and that all be done. So Scout leaders, mainly group Scout leaders, what do you think? What would you rather do? Own your own Scout Hall, but know you have all those other things that go with it, the maintenance, the issues, security, upkeep, that kind of thing, legislation of course. Or is it easier to just go and rent a hall and just walk in and everything's there? It's not an easy answer, is it? And I got asked that a few days ago and it got me thinking, man, I would just love to rock up to the church hall and just kind of go, it's all done. But I know Scout groups that do that and they're really strict on timings, and then you've got rent fees going up, things that you don't, well, things that you can't control. Whereas if you have your own Scout Hall, you can control those things, kind of thing, can't you? But then you've got all the things I'm doing now, like meeting the nursery manager to discuss our future products. About we've got to fix some roof and painting and closing the hall down for a few weeks. Oh man, the life of a group Scout leader. Or now I need to learn to call myself the lead volunteer. Anyway, that's another vlog.